The time is 6:48 in the morning. Our address is 5285 and a half State Route 721, Bradford, Ohio. Our landlord is Bob Reck. And this morning, I have not ran any water overnight, so to collect the best test I can for the lead. I chose this morning to do our kitchen sink. And this piece right here has only been on there for about 2 months, or maybe 3. That got added for the attachment to our portable dishwasher. When we got it, it had no rust on it whatsoever. Well, let's see how it does for the lead. I'm going to prep the area according to the directions, same as yesterday with the bathroom sink. It says just to wipe the area with a cloth and get that done. And then we're going to take the solution here and the solution and the cotton swab. I'm going to do my best to set this up for everybody to be able to see. Sorry I don't have one of those cell phone stands. I hope I'm in the area there you can see. I'm taking the lid off of the testing solution. There we go. And taking the cotton swab and dipping it in to the testing solution. There, it's getting wet. And now we're going to take the said cotton swab and swish it around here for 60 seconds. So on. I'm going to do the timer on my phone. It had started at 1:53, so at 2, said to lightly swab the area. So at 2 minutes and 53 seconds, I will stop. I started it at 1 minute and 53 seconds. We're at 2 minutes and 15 seconds now. Just at 2 minutes and 35 seconds. It says if it comes out yellow to black, then that means there's a present of lead. So, and we're at 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Let's take this light off here. And this is what we have from my kitchen sink, the light color here. Get into a better light. We have anywhere from a yellowish, it looks like, to a dark brown. And I will get a picture showing what the test results say about the color. Again, I did it for the bathroom, and I'll do it for the kitchen. So there we go. Thank you.